Today, I will guide you that how you can go ahead and check your entire business insight through our business intelligence module. Let's go to our business intelligence module for that. So, in our business intelligence module, we try to go ahead and provide all the insight around your business. What exactly is going on? Like what is going on in the sales, order, sales, invoice, purchase, quotation accounts, and inventory. So, in the very top, you can see there are a few of the cards which is being provided to go ahead and check the order due or what orders are due today, what orders are due in 7 days, and what orders are overdue, so that you may be able to go ahead and check that exactly in what direction the things are going on, where you need to go and focus. Like if I go ahead and say you that orders overdue is a very critical thing for your business, so you need to go ahead and check that which orders are overdue and what action you need to take. You can click on this view detail option and the report will get opened in front of you in order to check all the details. Now, going below, there is a graph representation option in order to provide you sales order graph around the amount. You can very well go ahead and change the display according to your requirement. So once I will click here, you can select the time duration or the week duration according to your requirement. You can also go ahead and select it according to the custom rates. Now in the right hand side, as you can see, the entire total sales value is provided, the MOM growth rate is provided, so you can very well go ahead and check that how your growth is happening on TranZact. Now here you can go ahead and select the pie chart according to your requirement, like region wise, customer wise, product wise, and category wise. So these graphs mainly represent that in which region your product are being sold mostly. Same going, you can see the top 10 customer who are purchasing your product and the top 10 product which are being sold. Now going below, this is around the category wise. So this is all about the sales order. Same going with the sales invoice here. In sales invoice also, you can go ahead and check the total invoice value, MOM growth rate, and you can see the entire graphical representation here as well. Same going we have provided in all the multiple details. So this is how you can go ahead and check exactly how your business is going. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.